Okay, team. So far, all we have done is a whole bunch of boring work. And the boring work that we've done is we've said, listen, all I want to save right now from the interweb is a name and a message because I just want to know if I can do it. How hard is this thing? And in order to do that, what we've done is we downloaded this toolbox called Mongoose using our git bash terminal. And when we downloaded it, we got these two files that showed up here, a package lock.json file and a package.json file. And you can click into these and it says things that are very important for the computer to understand. And you don't need to know what these are. These are for the computer. And a lot of this stuff is just automatically created. So I would caution you not to go into this and mess around with it too much. And then we created this folder where we were like, listen, I always want to know that all my models and the information that I'm getting from the computer is in the same place. So I created this folder called models. You can do that easily by left clicking or right clicking here and creating a folder here. You can also do that using the git bash terminal, using your make drive directory command, whichever one you like doing most. I don't like using the terminal too much. I'm just not used to it, and I sort of code for myself. I really just code to develop my MVPs. And so I'm the only one doing it, so I kind of have a style now. So I don't like doing it that way. Then in that folder, we created a file. In this file, we first of all had to tell we had to use the language called JavaScript. So the language we're using here to code this is called JavaScript. JavaScript is denoted by some of these interesting stylistic things. It has semicolons in it. It has a specific type of structure. The other thing that you'll notice is how it's written. I like I think it's called snake script, where the first word is not capitalized, but every subsequent word that gets added to it is capitalized. And I just like how it looks. I like the punctuation. And so I tend to use it in general language as well. You'll notice I named it in the same way. You don't have to do that. I just enjoy the eccentricities of the language, so I kind of copied it. I've actually integrated it into my normal language quite a bit. So here then I've just said, listen, every time I call for my Mongoose toolbox, bring me that toolbox that we downloaded from this file here from git bash, which is going to be all of this stuff here. As you can see, there's quite a bit going on here. There's 19 packages that got downloaded. They're all right here. And you can kind of see what they are. And so give me that. And then I said, okay, the only two things I want to create, I'm going to call that a data structure. And in that data structure, what I want is a new, because I'm creating this from scratch, and this is a command that is a standardized command. That's the command that you have to use every time you're doing it. A new, bring me my toolbox. From that toolbox, give me a new schema, and make that schema look like this: a message and a name. Then I want to prepare a variable to be able to take out of here so that I can use it and manipulate it elsewhere in my program. So that one I'm going to call structure exported, and then go back into the toolbox and get me a model, and create that model using this, call it this, and then use that data structure I created to be able to do it. And then export that model out of this file, basically. So all of that stuff, hunky-dory, Bob's your uncle. So now we're here, and what we're going to do is, where did we go? XXX. Now the database is downloaded. Our structure is ready. We can begin to use it from the program we are developing. Fantastic. Make sure the database is open and running. This is always a problem. So here now, I've opened my my Windows PowerShell. And for anybody who doesn't know what this is, It's downloaded in the first extremely choppy video. You can take a look at it there. So here now I have to open this. Oh, great. Mongosh. There we go. So for Mongosh, so now as you see, starting the terminal, starting this server has again become a different command. So usually you just go, you open two of these, and previously you would do mongod in one and mongosh in the other, and then you would see that the terminal, like the link to the database would open. Now it has changed again. So we have to go back and look at, okay, mongoose god mongodb start terminal command. This is the part of this that I don't quite like. They always change it, and then you feel kind of silly because you've already done it before, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, that they changed the command. It's like, why would you do that when everybody is used to something else? And I don't know why. I couldn't tell you. It's frustrating, and it makes the whole system a little bit difficult to kind of see. Is not recognized as the name of the camp. I have no idea what this is going on. So I'm going to pause this and do some troubleshooting, figure it out, and then I will explain exactly what's going on here.